This video is brought to you by Truevantage, the leading consultancy for modern business solutions.
Hi everyone, this is Marky, your functional consultant from Truevantage. In this short session, I'll walk you through how NetSuite role permissions play a key role in supporting your SOX or Sarbanes-Oxley compliance. SOX compliance is all about maintaining control and accountability over your financial data, making surely only the right people have access to perform the right actions in your system. NetSuite helps enforce that true role-based access control are being enforced in your accounting system. So in most accounting systems, users are often granted access based on convenience, like accounting staff or administrator. This can make it hard to prove who can do what when auditors review their access controls. While here in NetSuite, it enforces role-based access, meaning every user's access is defined by a specific role, and that role directly controls what transactions or data they can view, create, edit, or approve. So as you can see, I'm now in your NetSuite account, and we have these listings of roles that are available in NetSuite that houses the different permissions for your transactions, records, and listings. So let's say you have three key roles in your procurement process. So you have your AP analyst, an approver, and a finance admin, wherein your AP analyst basically creates purchase orders, while your approvers review and approves them. And the finance administrator basically processes the vendor bills. So I have already configured all those different roles in such a way that on their transaction record, you just need to identify, for example, for your bills, for purchase order, what would be the level of permissions are available for them. Okay, so let me just go back. So in NetSuite, each of these roles can be configured separately. So no one person can create and approve the same transaction. This segregation of duties, or SOD, is one of the core pillars of SOX compliance. So we have in here, you can quickly check the differences of those roles that we have created. So you just need to select a base roles, maybe for your AP analyst, then select the other um, procurement roles that we have for AP manager and finance administrator, and show differences only. So other systems often need third-party tools or manual reviews to achieve this, while NetSuite has built-in through its permission architecture. So as you can see, the different permissions for each of those three roles that we have created or customized for AP Analyst, AP Manager, and Finance Administrator, they bear different levels of permissions for each of those transactions. So during your SOX audit, auditors look for clear evidence that access is restricted to authorized personnel, roles are separated to prevent conflicts of interest, and changes to access are tracked and reviewed. So if you are also wanting to check the different trail or logins that have been done by your users, then you can use the login audit trail search. Just need to select the user, the role, then you can already run it. So like, for example, for AP analysts, let's check. So right now we don't have any. Let me just return to the criteria um, and select any of B for lettering glass, for example. Basically, it provides you all the audit trail searches in here. Then also, if you want to manage the users, we have it from here, from setup, user and roles, manage users, and it will provide you the different roles that are currently associated to each of your employees. So also from your transaction, if you go to your vendor bills and purchase orders, you have the system information subtab showing you who changed what and when, including the name of the employee who created or updated those transactions. So like for example, from your vendor bills, under the system notes, it will provide you the date of the change under the system information, who set by, context type, and the old and new value of the transaction. So unlike basic accounting tools where tracking is limited or manual, NetSuite provides real-time visibility and traceability, making it much easier to demonstrate compliance. Okay. So in summary, while many accounting systems can process transaction, NetSuite goes further by embedding strong access controls, audit trails, and reporting tools that directly support SOX compliance. Also, with NetSuite, we have some out-of-the-box saved searches related to roles that you can use. Like, for example, role permission change lag, the different permissions on a role, and you can customize them. So in here, it provides you the different role, what are the permission change date, and the permission change level done. So by leveraging NetSuite's role-based permissions, your organization not only strengthens security, but it builds a foundation of transparency and accountability that auditors love to see. Thank you so much for listening. Till next time.